Welcome to the channel for us. Today I'm going to start with the exercise for the decimals, and come, let's work together to enhance our ease of doing. Okay, so now let's start with the first exercise of the decimals. Which is greater? Okay, our first exercise is we have to compare the decimals. So the first one is 0.3 and 0.4. So now let's start with our whole part, the comparison. You have got 0, 0, right? Both are equal. Now come to the 1/10 part of the decimals. Here 3 and here 4. So which is greater? 4 is greater. So the decimal 0.4 is greater than the decimal 0.3. Now our second question, 3 and 0.8. Compare the whole part, that is you get 3 and 0. So 3 is greater than 0. Even though you have got here 2 digits, when we start our comparison with the whole part, you get 3 greater than 0. So you have to start comparing there because the whole part 3 is greater than the other one. So the number 3 is greater than the decimal 0.8. Okay, now let's do a third one, 0.07 and 0.02. Come on, take the whole part, 0, 0. Okay, next again the 1/10th part, 0, 0. Again take the 1/100th part, that is 7 and 2. See, now which is greater? 7 is greater. So the decimal 0.07 is greater than the decimal 0.02. Now our fourth one, 0.5 and 0.005. You have here 2 digits and you have here 3 digits. But start your comparison with the whole part. You have got equal, that is 0 and 0. 1/10 you have got 5 and 0, right? And the third, so you have to stop your comparing there because 5 is greater than 0. So the decimal 0.5 is greater than the decimal 0.05. Even though you have 3 digits there and you have 2 digits here, when you compare the 1/10th part, you get 5 greater than the 1/100 part, right? So you have to stop your comparison with the 1/10th part even if you get 1/100 part in this decimal. So which decimal 0.5 is greater than 0.05? Okay, next E, 1.23 and 1.2. Okay, now take your whole part, 1 and 1. Okay, now next is 2 and 2. So again equal, right? Now the third 1/100 part you get 3 and here you don't have anything. So this is 3 is greater than 0. So the decimal 1.23 is greater than 1.2, right? Now F, 0.099 and 0.19. Take your whole part, 0, 0 again. The 1/10th part you get 0 and here you get 1. So we have to stop our comparison, right? Even though we have 3 digits here because 1/10th part here 1 is greater. So 0.19 decimal is greater than the 0.099. Okay, now G, 1.5 and 1.50. Now take the whole part, 1 and 1. Okay, again what? 1/10, 5 and 5 equal, right? Again take here you have 0 and here you don't have anything. That means here also 0. You put it as 0. So again both are equal. So the decimal 1.5 and 1.50 is equal. Okay, after the decimal, if you have a 0, it's not valuable. So now take the H, 1.431 and 1.490. Compare the whole part, 1 and 1. Again compare the 1/10th part, 4 and 4. Again compare the 1/100 part, 3 and 9. So which is greater? The 9 is greater, right? So you have to stop your comparing with 1/100th part. Now I, 3.3 and 3.300. What your whole part is? 3 and 3. Again 1/10 is 3 and 3. So here again 0. You have here 0 but you don't have here anything. So here you put it as 0. Again you have compared See, that is equal. You have one more 0 here, right? So 0, but here you don't have anything. You have to put there 0. Again equal. So the decimal both are equal. So that's all with the first exercise. So now let's do our second exercise from decimals. You have to write in decimals, that is 2 rupees 5 paise and 2 rupees 50 paise. You have to write in decimals. So now let's take the first one, that is 2 rupees and 5 paise. The first part, right? I write RS, the short form for rupees, and 5, I write P, the short form for paise. So when you add 2 rupees plus 5 paise, when you want to add two things, you should be careful that it should be in the same units, right? So here you have got rupees and here you have got paise. So what do you have to do? You have to convert this paise to rupees. Again I repeat, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. What? You just have to take this 100 to the denominator of 1. So you don't have to remember this equation. You just have to study 1 rupees is 100 paise. So for 5 paise, how will you write? That is 5 by 100 rupees. So now we are changing this 5 by 100 to rupees. See, here you got 5 paise and here you change this paise to rupees. That is 5 by 100 rupees. Now again, when you have something in the denominator with 2 zeros, what do you have to do? You can assume the decimal as here and you are jumping 2 jumps, right? When you jump 2 jumps, you have to put a 0 here, right? So 2 rupees plus 0.05 rupees. You converted this into decimal. So now you have to add this. So when you write 2, you have got only a whole number here. So you have to consider the decimal after 2 and you have to put 0, right? You have got 2 1 by 10 part and 1 by 100 part. So you have to put 2 zeros. So in order to avoid confusion. So 0.05. So when you add this 5, 0. So 2, that is 2.05 what? Rupees. Got it? Second part is 2 rupees and 50 paise. So 2 rupees 50 paise. So 2 rupees plus, you should convert this paise to rupees, right? So again I rewind, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So again you have here 50 paise, right? So 50 paise is equal to 50 by 100 rupees. See, what's the difference here? Here you have got 5 paise. So it was 5 by 100. Now here you have got 50 paise. So it is 50 by 100 rupees. See, now you can cancel this to 0. So don't get confused with this 5 paise and 50 paise. Now you got the fraction 5 by 10. Not paise, it's rupees. Be careful. So you are converting this fraction to again decimal. 2 rupees plus, here is your decimal, right? So only one jump, that is 0.5. Don't write again 10 here because you made a jump here. Again rupees. Now you have to add this 2, right? Both are in rupees, right? So 2. So you have got only whole number here. So just put zeros because after the decimal you have got one place, right? So again 0.5. So you can put 0 here in order to avoid confusion. So 0 plus 5 is 5.2. That is, your answer is 2.5 rupees. Do you have any confusions? If, please do comment. So the continuation of the write in decimal, the second one. 20 rupees and 7 paise and 21 rupees 75 paise. So take the first part, that is 20 rupees, RS, the short form, 7 paise. So again, what? See, two different units, so you can't add them, right? Convert them. 20 rupees plus, so 1 rupees 100 paise. So what? 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So 7 paise is equal to 7 by 100 rupees, not paise. So take that fraction here. 7 by 100, it's not p, it's rupees. 7 by 100 rupees. You got a fraction, right? When you get a fraction, now this is not the chapter fraction. You have to convert it into decimal. Have got 2 zeros here. So you want to jump 2 jumps. 1 jump, 2 jump. So your decimal will be here, right? So 0.07 rupees. Again I repeat, don't make wrong. So now if you want to add this, how will you add? 20. You have got the whole number as 20. So you don't have anything after decimal. So, but here you have got after decimal 2 places, right? So just put them as 0. Now here 0.07 in order to avoid confusion. So add them. 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 0, 0. 0.0 plus 0, 0. Again 2. That is, your answer is 20.07 rupees. Understood? Now take the second part, that is 21 rupees and 75 paise, right? So again convert them. 21 rupees plus, see, 75 paise. You have to convert. How will you convert 75 paise? That is, here it was only 7 paise. So it was 7 by 100. But now you will have to write here 75 by 100. You got the fraction, right? That is 75 by 100. Not paise, rupees. So again what? This fraction you have to convert into decimal. You have how much zeros in the denominator? 2 zeros. So jump twice. 1, 2. So the decimal reaches here. So 21 rupees plus 0.75. Now you don't have to write the 100 here, right? Rupees. Now add the whole number. 21. After decimal you have 2 places, right? So just put 0, 0 and take this 75 here. So here also 0, 0. So what? 5, 0 plus 7, 7. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 0, 2. So your answer is 21.75 rupees. Do you have any confusions for the conversion of rupees and paise? Hope you understood.